Today Irina will teach me some English idioms, but I have no idea what she's talking about.
Let's see if you can survive this challenge. Oh no, you just hit the roof.
Wait, what? Hit the roof? But it's too high.
It means to get really angry.
Ah,
He is going to hit the roof.
okay, I understand it now.
And then you might lose your cool if it gets worse.
I lose my cool?
It's similar to getting angry, but it's about trying not to freak out.
Before I lose my cool.
The boss is coming to check our project. How is it going? Oh no.
You can break the ice by joking about it. See?
Break the ice? But what does it have to do with this?
It means to start a conversation in a friendly way.
No, I'm just trying to break the ice.
The boss finally left our office.
Maybe we should call it a day.
Call it a day? You mean finish work and relax?
Exactly.
The boss gave you a new task.
This is a piece of cake.
Piece of cake? Is it the chocolate one?
No, it means it's easy.
Piece of cake, Quill.
I'm so tired.
Time to hit the hay.
Hit the hay? What?
Sleep.
Time to hit the hay, I guess.
I don't feel so well today.
You seem under the weather today.
Under the weather? What?
Sick or tired?
Well, I have been feeling a little under the weather, but I'm feeling much better now.
I have to finish the report tonight.
You have to bite a bullet.
Bite the bullet? Really?
Face a difficult task bravely.
I'm afraid we'll just have to bite the bullet on this thing, Clive.
What do you want to eat for lunch?
I chose yesterday, but now the ball is in your court.
Meaning I decide what to do next?
Exactly.
What happened? What happened?
I shouldn't spill the beans.
But we didn't have beans for lunch today.
Would you guys spill the beans?
Wow, that was confusing but fun. I finally get it.
Now you can use all 10 idioms naturally.